You're very good, Cal. Very good, Cal. What? I gotta go inside now. Let me in, let me in, let me in! God, it's raining. Guys! 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 It's raining. I gotta get some stuff now and gotta get some stuff. Oh. Okay. I must get a potion. I really need some potions. Need to get some stuff. I really need to get some stuff. I really. Oh no. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, which one do we get? Which one? Okay. Let's go. Let's get in the brimstone. Oh. I really need to do this. Really need some strength. Oh, where is it? Where is it? There it is. There'll be a commotion. Oh my god. This is a commotion of weather. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. We gotta do this. Okay. Okay, how do we get strength? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, I really need to do this. How am I supposed to do this? It's raining outside. It's too dark. It's too dark outside. The stuff is strong. The stuff is strong. The stuff is strong. The stuff is strong. Wait, the brain is going down. It's going down a little. It's getting weak, guys. It's getting weak. It's getting weak. It's getting weak, guys. It's getting weak. Don't worry. Don't you worry. Okay, my stuff is done. Okay. I need some gunpowder right now. Okay. Oh, it's raining. Why was it raining so hard? Okay. It's almost. Okay, stand still. I really need to give you some splash potions. There you go. I got strength too, okay? Yes. I got strength too. Yes, I got strength too. Okay? Oh, that was a breathtaking moment. Where's the sun? Yep, the sun's down. Huh? The same cow's still there. Okay, let's go. Hello, little cow. Do you like it? What? Guys, I got like 64 to 32, 64 to 19. 64 to 19 steak, do you like that? And also liver. Would you like some steak? Okay, come back here. You cutie. Get back here. Who are you? Fletcher! Fletcher the second, I think. What is the baby dog doing here? What dog is it? Come on, let me see. A baby Ray! It's a little baby Ray. Oh, you so cute. You're the Ray the second. Go on. Go on. Go on. You've been the bad dog. Go on. Bad dog. I know you had your own baby. Go back. Go back, go back, go back, go back. Oh, I'm not gonna take care of this time. Hey, guys, what are you doing? Seems bad. This tastes pretty good. I guess that was edible liver and some yummy steak. That was a great day today.